Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I have the Nikkor Z MC 50mm f2.8 lens. Let's unbox it and check it out. Today I have the Nikon Z MC 50mm f2.8 lens. So this is Nikon's new macro lens, and let's start with the build quality. It's a build of plastic and it weighs about 260 grams. It has a metal lens mount with a weather sealing gasket around the edge. And on the side you got some simple focus control switches. As you focus more closely, it reveals a macro ratio indicator. The autofocus motor works perfectly fine. Now here are some photos taken on the lens. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and give a like to this video.